Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Ajmera, and in this video we are going to discuss a very important topic from the modern Indian history, and we are going to discuss the land revenue policies of Britishers, in which I will discuss about the first act which was introduced by the Britishers to change the land revenue system and to increase the revenue of Britishers, and this act is called as Permanent Settlement Act. And it was introduced in 1793. At that time, the Governor General of India was Lord Cornwallis. So he is the person who introduced this system, in which, so first of all we have to understand what was the system before the Britishers introduced this system. So at that time there were Mughals, in which emperor was at the top, and then Diwan, then comes Zamindars, and at the bottom we had peasants. So Zamindars were the tax collectors. Zamindars were the tax collectors who used to collect taxes from peasants in the name of emperor and were supervised by the Diwan. So this is how the revenue system was working during the times of Mughals. But when this act was introduced, something changed. So at the top we had British East India Company, and then Zamindar. So at the Zamindar, in the middle there were Zamindars who used to collect taxes from the peasants. So what is the difference between Zamindars here and here? So here Zamindars were landowners, and here they had only one work to collect taxes from the peasants on the behalf of emperors. So this act made Zamindars as landowners and gave them hereditary rights. So this Permanent Settlement Act basically settled the Zamindars permanently on the land, and they used to collect taxes from the peasants in the name of British East India Company. So collecting taxes from the peasant, and then they will give to the British. So now we are going to discuss the features of Permanent Settlement Act 1793. So what kind of features did this act had? So first of all, how much tax did peasants had to give to the Zamindars? So tax was around 10 by 11. That means 10 by 11 of the total produce will go to the Zamindars, and then they will give the same amount to the emperors, and the remaining amount